Okay, good afternoon everyone. So at this time, we have here another video that is finding the domain and the range of the trigonometric functions. Okay, we are given three examples. Okay, we have here example number 1, find the domain and the range of 2 sine x plus 2. Number 2, we have f of x is equal to 2 tan x. Number 3, y is equal to 5 secant x. So actually, if we're given the function, y is equal to a sine x plus b. So, to identify the range, actually the domain for this one is the set of real number from negative infinity to positive infinity. Okay? But for the range, what we are going to do for the range is that, okay, sa iya pong range, ang pagkuhanin mo is, we will have to base in this one, no? A and B. So from negative B, we add na from negative A plus na po siya sa B. Then we have A plus B. So that will be only the pattern on how to find the domain and the range of sine and cosine function. Ang range po sa secant, pareha po, pagpangita niya. Sa domain na po sila mag-differ. So let us have the first example, number 1. Okay, we have the first example. F of x is equal to 2 sine of x plus 2. So we have, okay, we have solution for the range, for the domain, of course, is just from negative infinity to positive infinity. Okay, domain for the sine function, and for the range, okay, and for the range of the sine function, we have here 2, we have negative 2 plus positive 2 is 0. Then we have 2 plus 2, we have 4. So from 0 to 4. So we have the domain and the range. Domain is from negative infinity to positive infinity. Then we have 0 to 4. Okay? Next, we have number 2. Okay, for number 2, okay, solution. F of x is equal to 2 tan x. Okay? So, of course, the domain, ang domain sa tan, okay, the domain of the tan x is the set of all x such that x must not be equal to what? Okay, dapat dili siya equal ni positive, negative, 2n plus 1 times pi over 2. Okay, dapat dili siya equal na. So, meaning, any number or any real number, no, x, and the set of all x such that x is not equal to plus minus 2n plus 1 times pi over n, no? Okay, where n what is any real number, no? Any real number. So, the set of all x such that x is not equal to positive, negative 2n plus 1 over 2 times pi, where n is any real number. How does it become like this one? Anong si tan, ang value ni x, dili ko siya pwede mahimog 2n plus 1 times pi over 2. Okay, let us have to figure out. Okay? Because n is any real number, let me see, n is equal to 1. Okay? With n is equal to 1, we have here 2 times 1 plus 1 times pi over 2. Kaya ito i-follow. No? Ang bilis siya pwede. We have here 2 plus 1, 3 times pi, 3 pi over 2. Kung saan man ang 3 pi over 2? Okay? Kung saan ang 3 pi over 2? So, we have what? If you're going to convert this one into degrees measure, pi over 2 or pi divide 2 is 90 times 3 to 70 degrees. No? 270 degrees. It means that x at this time is equal to 0. What? Then we have here y is equal to negative 1. Then r is equal to positive 1 because the radius or the hypotenuse is always equal to 1. That is actually from the unit circle, no? The coordinates for x, y, no? Then we have here, remember that tan theta is equal to 2 opposite over adjacent, meaning y over x. Okay, y over x. So nga nung undefined man siya, we have here, nga di man siya pwede because the result will be undefined. Ano man, hindi naman si y at this time, negative 1 over 0. The answer is undefined. No? Undefined siya. So therefore, the undefined man, we exclude this value. No, dili siya pwede. Bala kung sa basta, walang ilabot ni siya. No? Okay, another one for the range. Okay, for the range of the tangent function, okay, the range is simply the set of real number or from negative infinity to positive infinity. Sige, ano lang, dali lang po ang yahang domain, yahang range, no? Next, what about for number 3, second function? Okay, actually for the second function, for the range, the same pattern as for the sine and cosine. But for the domain, lahat na po siyang domain. Dahil sila similarities actually sa tangent. So for the domain, yung domain na is, okay, for the domain is the set of all x such that x is not equal to ilaman. We have here 2n, okay, 2n plus 1 times pi over over 2. Kung mutana mo mga ingana, design lang yapon yung pattern nga tuon ninyo, no? Nga tuon lang yapon ninyo. Ang result still undefined. That's why it is being restricted. Hindi siya pwede, no? For the range, ang ihapong range ani the same naman, no? So 0 man si big ring. So from negative 5 to 5. Okay, so the range is from negative 5 to 5. So I hope this will help you, particularly in answering your activity in identifying the domain and the range of trigonometric function.